Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm right in the shop right now doing some Laguna Seca prep. Pretty much almost done, but I just want to show you some more upgrade mods I did to help with racing here. So one of the things I did was install this alternator belt tensioner, this little guy right there. Ethan Burrows was making small batches of these, and basically it kind of just tightens up the belt so it doesn't get loose. You use the big nut right here, you kind of twist it up to lengthen the size, or then you kind of turn this down to make it shorter, and you have these small little nuts here on each end to lock it in place too. So to lock it in, basically you twist or turn the small nut towards the big nut. Same thing on the other side there too. You twist or turn the small nut towards the big nut to lock it. And then to unlock it, basically you have another wrench, a 13 mil wrench on the big nut, and then another 13 mil wrench on the small nut, and you twist the small nut going outside or away from the big nut. Same thing on the other side, and then you can adjust it accordingly. And it's pretty tight. Pretty good slack there, but not too loose, not too tight. I was having issues racing with the factory alternator bracket, which is right here. It was still getting loose. Even when I marked it and stuff, the belt was still getting loose, and I didn't want the belt to slip off because it also powers the water pump and don't want to overheat. And the other thing I did was buy Dan's old exhaust on his H6. It's custom made because his car is beam swap, so the length is a little bit different than the factory 40G H6. And Backyard Auto did that connection there to mat it to my H6, and they did a great job. And they also did the mounts for it too. And that right there is the resonator from Vibrant. It's a quiet resonator to a ultra quiet muffler, which is there in the back. It's a black colored muffler. It's a 3-inch exit, and it sounds pretty quiet. So yeah, we'll see how it does in Laguna Seca. There's like 10 racers in my group. Hopefully get some good wheel-to-wheel action, and hopefully I'll see you guys out there. All right, see ya.